Thanks for watching, everybody. Good morning. My name is Colin from the Baby Boomers. If you are here for van life conversion, van life tips, or really anything about vans, motorhomes and camping, why not subscribe now? 90% of my viewers are unsubscribed, and it's really great to get subscribers. So please subscribe now and tick that notification button to get updates of new videos. Here is today's video, and it's about a warning light that I've had on my Crafter. I hope you like it. See you soon. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Van Tips Thursday. I haven't done this for a while, but I just wanted to share with you a quick tip that I've found for a problem that I've had. Now, this is a 2016-2017 Volkswagen Crafter, and I would think this will work. Obviously works on all on the Crafters, not sure on the newer models, but certainly on the ones that are later, that are older than 2017, and I would think it will also work as well on Mercedes Sprinters, because up to that point they were more or less exactly the same. Now I'm just going to share with you what it was. Now, a few days ago I had an issue where my service light came on, and I'll just show you. I've actually corrected it now. Now, just around about here there was a warning light came on, and it was basically telling me that I needed to check the oil. And so I've just did a quick Google search on it. I'm just going to explain to you how to correct that. Basically, it's not due for another for a service for another what's it, 90,000, so 16,000 Ks roughly, 16,000 Ks, so it's not due for a service for another 16,000, but the check oil or the service light came on for oil. Now, I've checked the oil was fine. I'm just going to show you how to change it. Now, down here we have the two buttons, the O and the M. Basically what you do is you press the O button for 30 seconds until you get that bleep. Don't know if you heard it. Then what you do is you press the M button until it comes around there to oil. And then what you do is you press the O button again for about 2 seconds, 2 or 3 seconds, until it comes up with that. You then press the O button again, and it resets that alarm. I would imagine that the next one along, so there it comes up 15,600 Ks to all the service, 25 days. I would imagine that that would do exactly the same thing for the service. Yeah. So that would do the same thing for the service. So if you're past your service and you know you need to get it done, but you don't want to hear the bleep and everything when you start, that will fix that issue. So thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. It's only a quick video, and take care, everyone. We'll speak to you later. Please like, subscribe and comment. It's always good to get to build a little community. See you again in the next video.